Hi everyone, this is Moria from Luxury Bag Heaven and handbagliners.co.uk. I'm based in the UK. I make bag organisers, bag shapers, base shapers, bag protector, dust bags. I have leather care products to offer. Everything is made in the UK and I ship worldwide. Today is a very exciting day for me because I got a repair that's come back to me, and that is the lovely lily, which I purchased secondhand. I already own a lily. I did quite a few videos about lily, so you can just check my profile here and find them. It's not a review about the lily bag, it's really just to tell you how we can access the repair service at Mulberry, what can we do to protect the bag after it's come back, and I'm just going to do an unboxing of the repaired bag, which is almost like getting a new bag because they're so beautifully wrapped, and you get sort of the mulberry wrapping, and it comes back and it's like it's been refurbed and it's beautiful. So I'll start by showing you what I got, explain the two options on how to access the repair service, and then take you through to my vegan organisers for the inside and the leather care as well. So you can skip at any point if you're interested in a particular part of what I said. Just skip the video. So I'll show you how it came. I have already opened it because I was so excited. I really needed to see it. So you get the beautiful Mulberry shopping bag, which I really like. I never really buy Mulberry from new, so that's something I was really kind of looking forward to it, and it's just how beautiful is that. And then it came in the dust bag, which I was really hoping as well, because this one's Preloved. Sometimes you don't get a dust bag. I think it's such a nice touch, such professional sort of level if they offer you a dust bag when you get your item back from repair. Same with Louis Vuitton, they do that as well, and I really, really like that touch. You got your sort of receipt for the repair. That's what you paid for the actual repair, so that was done over a payment link, which I'll explain in a minute. And then a beautiful personal note from the store sales associate. Her name's Katie, so if you're in Edinburgh, maybe you want to pop in and have a quick chat with her. She was very helpful, and just a little nice note to say enjoy your bag. So thank you, Katie. Don't know if you'll ever watch this video, but thank you. So when I opened it, obviously it's in the bag. I got it out the dust bag. I had to admit I got a shock. The reason is, when it came out, it has the plastic cover on it, like the sticky cover. And I thought they haven't changed the lock, because the old lock had the same kind of bubbling, which you can see here. So that's bubbling is from the air under the sticker. But in my mind, when I opened it, I was like, oh my God, they never repaired it. But obviously, they have repaired it, and the brand new lock is right here, as you can see. So that is the repair that I've requested, because the lock was not just scratched, it had sort of weird bubbling, which is very similar to what you can see with the sticker. Just like weird bubbles under the coating, which I can't explain. I don't know if Katie knew what it was. It happens. I've seen it happen on Mulberry bags, unfortunately. I did go onto Facebook to a lovely group run by my friend Sarah. And she sort of, the people in the group, the ladies, have guided me to go to Mulberry and ask for a postman lock repair. And I live in Edinburgh, so I'm lucky enough to have a store to go into and have a chat with, which I really preferred. So that's what I did. I did go in, I met Katie, she explained the process. It was the price that I was told on Facebook, which is £80 at the moment. It goes back to Mulberry and Somerset. I have been quoted 16 weeks. It only took 3. That is amazing. So I'm like super chuffed, double chuffed. And then I had sort of waited, not knowing when it will be back. What Katie explained is that if you need to approve the repair, that might delay it slightly. So if you know what you want, you agree with the price that you've been quoted in the store, she just expedites it. You don't need to go back and forth approving it. So that's quite nice. It just expedited the repair a little bit. Just because you knew what you were paying for and you knew what you wanted. She has explained that the postman has got 3 parts, postman lock. So that's 1, 2, 3. and they all actually cost the same. So even if you just get this change, it still costs you 80. I'm sure it is. So I was like, just get them all replaced. It's a light gold hardware. That's what she told me, and it did appear to me that it is light when I bought it, although it comes across as yellow. It's definitely not yellow. And then the bag got sent away. I filled a form in the store, signed everything, got the email confirmation. So that took me sort of to the start of the process. Then when I got a call after 3 weeks, I was told it has been repaired. Now it's time to pay for it. So yes, I had to pay for the repair. I paid over a link, which is quite common, same in Louis Vuitton from my experience. You just press it, put your card details in, the store gets the payments through. And then I explained that I cannot make it to the store, unfortunately, just because it does take quite a lot of time in my day, like being working and having kids to come out and do this. So they have offered me a shipping, complimentary shipping, which I thought was really, really lovely, and thank you for that as well. Saved me quite a lot of time. And everything came beautifully wrapped. Like, how can you ask for more? I think what I'm going to do, it's a beautiful dust bag that you get, just gorgeous quality. I think what I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to take off just this part, because I do think it looks like it bothers me. The sticker's bothering me. Now I know people get covers for these. I don't like it in particular, so I think I'm just going to remove that. But I'm going to keep the bottom ones because they just don't get in the way at all, and I don't mind them. And I don't care that there's a bit of, like the plastics there, and you can see it. But that was the main part that I really wanted to repair. So that was me going into the store. That's the first way you can do it. I recommend it. I think it's nice. You get a bit of a chat. You get to see other bags, and you buy something. The other way, if you've not got time, you're far away from Mulberry, there is a Mulberry website, which you know about, but there's a really, really good service section on it. So I'm just going to walk you through it. You'll need to go and do it yourselves, obviously. This is just a run through. So you've got the care and repair at the bottom of the page. Okay, so that's the bottom of Mulberry website. It just explains about it. And then you've got the link for the repair service. So I'm pressing that just to show you what comes up. So just like an explanation of the process, which is slightly different. But obviously you do get your bag at the end of it, same as me. So you might have to go back and forth in the emails explaining where you got your bag, what do you want done, some pictures, whereas in the store it goes quicker because the person sees it and they know what they want and it's all done. So yeah. So that's all that, and then you can just say get started or view guide. So I'll leave you to it. That's your sort of job to do. What I have noticed on their website, which sort of like Louis Vuitton don't have, is amazing details on what you can repair. So I know they can repair a lot of stuff because they've got the parts for most of the bags. But it's just so detailed. So even if you have a bag and you're not sure what's wrong with it, you know something's wrong with it, you just go on the website, and on the guide there is so much information. Like even the chain, loops attach the chain to the bag, so that's for the lily. The lock is there, I have seen that. You get the feet, padlocks, even the metal fobs inside the bag, which I think was just brilliant. And it's just so detailed and actually easy to book and get it back. It doesn't go away to another country like it does with other brands. It just stays in the UK, and I think that's just amazing. So the bag did come with some tissue paper, just nicely stuffed. And I'm going to treat the bag, waterproof it with the products I'm going to show you. What I have noticed and made me smile as well, after the initial panic about the padlock not being replaced, is the fact that they wrap the chain, and that is something that I offer on my website, which is the chain wrap for the lily for both sizes. And I just thought that's just made me more confident about offering the actual wrap, because really, like long term, you don't want to be using tissue. So that's on the website, and it's made of felt, and it's got Velcro, and it's really pretty. Then you've got all the lovely tissue out, and I'm going to show you my insert next. This is a new insert to Luxury by Kevin. I'm just rolling it out. Hopefully people like it. I'll show you what fits in the organiser and the organiser itself. So it's quite a soft organiser. It's got 2 layers of the vegan suede and some nice filling to keep it sort of upright. This is sort of not like really strong felt organiser, which you can get, and I do offer it as well. So it's just nice because it molds into the bag, and obviously all your stuff fit in. I'm going to put it in the bag and show you how it fits really, really nicely. And the last thing I'm going to show you is the products that I use on the Lily, as well as my other bags, Chanel, Louis Vuittons, Gucci's. It works. It's all sort of similar products by Luxury Bag Heaven. So that's how nicely this fits. Has no pockets, but really the bag is really small, so I just don't feel that it needs a pocket. But that's all the stuff I can fit, plus my phone. So that's going in, and I'm going to lock it now. I did also notice on the side note is that it has the sound that it makes, the lock, because it's kind of like stiff and new. It makes this weird clickety sound, and I think, can you hear it? It's almost like the spring is really tight. I love it. So that's all done, packed away. It's nicely shaped, it's full. My sticker's still on. Like I said, it's starting to come off a little bit. And then I'll just show you what I use after to protect the bag. Coming into winter, there's lots of rain. Sometimes the bag comes out and it's raining. Although it's the type of bag that you can tuck in under, I do feel it needs a bit of TLC just in case. Also, pre-loved bags tend to be dirty, whether you like it or not. Doesn't matter who you bought it from, they normally don't get clean. So you start with the cleaner, which is actually good on suede as well. So if your Lily's got suede, or even the microfiber newer style, all that can get cleaned with this. As the exterior, so you spray it, you wipe it, you can use a sponge, you can just wipe it with microfiber, you can use the mitt that you get in the kit that I provide, so that could be useful. And then you switch over and you condition it. So there's 2 types of conditioner. You've got the leather cream, which is just cream, sort of really nice conditioning to the leather. Can be used on Louis Vuitton as well, obviously, or Gucci bags, any leather bags, to be honest. And that's just to condition the leather. And then if you're really worried about taking it out, or you do use it all year round and you need it waterproofed without damaging or anything like that to the leather, you have got the Vachetta Leather Protector, which conditions and waterproof. So it's a multifunction cream, and I like it. I just use it, gives me peace of mind. And once again, you spray it, everything's got a little spray function, and you just use your little mitt to buff it in. I have made several videos on about how well it works against water and repelling water. I'm going to do one more because I think people need to see it on a Mulberry bag. I have made a Louis Vuitton and a Chanel video, but I really want you to see it on the Lily. If you need anything else, you can always find me on my website, my Instagram, my Facebook, and let me know if I can help you with any of the things that we've discussed. If you're about to go and repair or thinking of repairing a bag, I would not hesitate. That has really, the process that they've put me through was really positive. I got very, very good experience with these guys, and I'm so happy to show you what happened to my lovely bag and how well it's been repaired. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.